Opportunity management. When an administrator in SugarCRM creates an opportunity management process, they can associate different opportunity management processes to different sales teams, to different people, set different stages and durations, and track different points allocations. Those processes could be assigned to verticals or various industries or be product specific, depending on the need of each client. Some processes have required steps in order to process through, and also sometimes different people are assigned to different steps. In this case, you can see the global team has been assigned to this, so everybody gets to use this process, but we can assign it to different people. We can have target assignee, which is current user, which means whomever invokes the process will be assigned to the majority of the work. But specific steps can be assigned to certain people. And in this instance, you see applications can be invoked, or process macros can be invoked to update specific fields, or to invoke scheduling of next steps, best actions. It can also generate templates and other steps within that process. By drilling into an individual requirement, we can take a deeper look at what happens here. In this case, you can see if there's a URL associated to it. The assignee rule to inherit means whomever starts the process gets that. And if there's a target assignee, we can also go and assign that to a specific user if a different person needs to take action on that particular step. There's points associated that we've been talking about throughout the day, as well as we can determine what priority certain items are. And does a certain other stage block by this stage? We can make certain things required and you are unable to continue on in the process or skip steps depending on whether other things are prerequisites of one another. All of this results in a distinct process that's driven through the administrator designing the process in the rate of speed that management requires.